Hello everyone, hope you're all doing very good. I really welcome you all today in the video. You're watching Elite English by Asghar. So this is the first video of our journey from zero to fluent. If you're really interested in learning English from a very beginning, so try to be with us and subscribe to our channel. Hope you'll be having a really good experience watching our videos and your learning process. Well, so today we're going to talk about something really important. That's about a really first topic about alphabet. How many alphabets do we have right in English, and what are they? How do we pronounce them? And what is the phonetic description of alphabets do we have right in our English? Well, so look at here. There are 26 letters in alphabet. There are 26 letters in alphabet. They are divided into two parts. The one could be vowel, the one could be consonant. Why vowel and why consonant? Why we have divided them into two parts? We'll be studying them. But first we must know about 26 letters of alphabet I mentioned here. What are the 26 letters of the alphabets? So have a look. Friends, here we are. These are the English alphabet we have with the correct pronunciation plus their phonetic description. The one that you can see in the red color, they are vowels, and the one that you can see in the black colors are consonant. So exactly A, E, I, O, U. They are vowel we have in English, and you can see the one which are mentioned below are called the phonetic description. Got it? So yes, here we are. You can see the in slashes, in the middle of slashes we have they represent the sound how it could be pronounced correctly. So yeah, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Well, so these are the correct pronunciations of the letters. I pronounced them earlier. As for the vowels and consonant, we have divided into two parts. Why? And is there any need of dividing them into two parts? We'll be describing them into the next video. Just in today's video, we described vowels, how many vowels do we have, and their correct pronunciation, the sounds they have, and the parts they have. Right, in the next video, we'll be talking about the vowels and the consonant plus the articles. So that's all for now in this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you felt it's informative, do subscribe our channel. Hope you'll be having a very good time. See you then.